गायत्री मंत्र। ओम भूर्भुवस्सुः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो न प्रचोदयात्। तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो न प्रचोदयात्। ओम भूर्भुवस्सुः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो न प्रचोदयात्। Now rub your hands. Rub your hands. Put your hand. Now rub your hand. नहीं अभी rub your hand and eyes को open कर ले. So put your hand on your eyes and take 2 deep inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Now release yourself. Now just release your leg position. आप लोगों ने one leg को अपने थाई पे रखा था. So change your leg position. अभी दूसरे लेग को थाई के ऊपर रखिए. दूसरे लेग को थाई के ऊपर रखें और 1 डीप स्ट्रेच. सो अपने शोल्डर को थोड़ा सा लॉक करें और फिर अपने हाथों को पूरा एक रोल करें इन फ्रंट और गो बैक. 1 2 3 4 and 5. Now leave. Change your hand position. In front, go back. पूरा पीछे की तरफ मोड़िएगा जितना आप पीछे ले जा सकते हैं. 1 2 3 4 and 5. Now just simply leave it. Raise your hand up. एक इक्वल पोजीशन में रेज करें अपने हैंड को and simply we just stand here. अपने रिस्ट को ओपन कर दे ऊपर की तरफ. होल्ड द पोजीशन. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. नाउ गो डाउन. अपने रिस्ट को डाउन की तरफ कर दे. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. नाउ अगेन साइड की तरफ लेफ्ट और राइट विच यू कंफर्टेबल. लेफ्ट की तरफ पहले कर दे. 1 2 3 4 5. नाउ इन राइट. अपने शोल्डर पे ज्वाइंट पे प्रेशर महसूस करिएगा. जब आप अपने हाथों को होल्ड करते हैं तो आपके प्रेशर पे खिंचाव महसूस होती है. सो होल्ड द पोस्चर. 1 2 3 4 5. नाउ रिलीज. रिलीज कर दीजिए अपने हाथों को. फील ए गुड प्रेशर ऑन योर शोल्डर पोर्शन. नाउ 1 मोर. जस्ट इक्वली रेज करिएगा अपने हाथों को एंड इनहेल करते हुए इसे लॉक करिएगा ऊपर की तरफ. जस्ट इक्वल. हाँ हमें ऊपर की तरफ इक्वल जस्ट ऐसे फ्लाइंग पोजीशन में. लॉक नहीं करना है. जस्ट ऐसे इक्वल एंड देन पाम टुगेदर. 1 2 3. इस तरह उल्टा प्रणाम. हाँ पहले बताया था ना मैंने इस तरह. रेज योर हैंड. होल्ड द पोजीशन. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. नाउ अगेन आप सेंटर कर सकते हैं. प्रणाम में ले आए. चेंज कर ले अपने हाथों को. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Now in your heart chakra, hold the position. 1. मैंने बोला था पहले इस तरह करके हम 10 काउंट तक होल्ड करेंगे. देन अगेन 10 काउंट तक हम इसे सामने की तरफ कर लेंगे प्रणाम में. ठीक है. सेम ही पोस्चर में नीचे नहीं लाना है हाथ को. वहीं पे आप 10 काउंट इस तरह करेंगे. 10 काउंट आप इस तरह. ठीक है. Again raise up your hand. Hold the position. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now again in 5, change your hand position. Yes. Hold the posture. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now in front, heart chakra. Hold the position. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now release your hand. Release your hand. Now one more, we rotate our neck. So with comfortable position आप अपने neck को rotate करें, या फिर आप साइड में भी होल्ड कर सकते हैं. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Come to center. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Come to center. Again see in front. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. See in down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now release your posture. Now release your posture, and if you feel comfortable, ma'am, you can just rotate yourself. 1 and 2. Again 1 and 2. Now in center we feel relaxed. In center we feel relaxed. One more. We relax our spine. So अपने one hand को दूसरे थाई पे shift करिए. Sit back and stretch your lower body, upper body. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now turn and change your position. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now come to center. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now again come to center. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now one more. Open your leg. Open your leg. Now do the stretch on your finger. अपने फिंगर को रोटेट करें with support your hand. अपने हैंड को सपोर्ट ले लें अपने बैक के पास. And then raise your leg. पहले हम 5 टाइम इसे अंदर की तरफ रेज करेंगे, 5 टाइम इसे बाहर की तरफ. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now also rotate your legs. So with knee rotation on your feet rotation. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now do anti-clockwise. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now just feel relaxed on yourself. So leg between some gap. दोनों लेग के बीच में गैपिंग ले लें, थोड़ी सी गैप. And sit on comfortable position. If you can't sit proper, so use one cushion in between your hip. One cushion, और cushion की सिर्फ half point पे आपको बैठना है, पूरे cushion पे नहीं बैठना है, just on half cushion. Okay? Now your posture was straight. Sit in comfortable position. Do one deep breath. Inhale and then exhale and push your leg in front your side. अपनी तरफ अपने leg के finger को करना है and just lock your finger. Hold the position. Hold the position. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Now release your posture, come back. Release your posture, come back. Sit in comfortable position. Now again, one leg lock. One leg lock in between your thigh. So like this, one leg bent. We are doing Janu Sirsasana. So one leg bent and with also one cushion supportable. So you shift in between your knee. If you want, if you can't want, you can just leave it. Now lock your one leg. Lock your one leg to support your hand and just inhale. Raise up your hand up. Go down and hold here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now release your hand. Exhale. Exhale. Come same process. Now we are locking our leg and just raise your hand up. Hold the position. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now release your posture. Release your posture and sit in comfortable position. Go softly and carefully. Okay. All the asanas practice, go softly and carefully. Now again we are doing in both sides. So with support your both hands, lock your ankle and just face down on your knee. Where you reach, hold the posture. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Now release your posture. First you release your head and then release your body. And change your leg position also. Change your leg position. Lock your both hands. Lock your ankle. Go down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Now release your posture. First release your head, then release your body. Feel relaxed. So palm together and just relax your knee. So just rotate up and down your knee. Up and down your knee for relaxation sometime. And also you bend your knee and just raise your knee. Bend your knee, raise up your knee. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Do 5 times and then release. Release. Now one more asanas practice, which is the holding position, Nabika Darshanasana. So with support your hand, you can just raise your body, lift your body, raise up your body and see your navel. Hold the posture. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now sit on comfortable position. Slowly you do, sir. One time slowly you can just lift. With support your hand. Yeah. Slowly lift your body. Not too much lift your body. Just slowly lift your body. It's okay. Leave it. Leave it. Leave it. Leave it. Yeah. One time just hold and go down. Okay? It's okay. Leave it, sir. Ma'am, you start. Hold your position. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now release your posture. Release your posture. And sir, you also go to with cushion support. आप अपने बैक पे cushion लेके लेट जाएं थोड़ी देर savasana में. And then we are doing the Setu Bandhasana. Okay? So first you relax for few counts. Just like this. Open your hand. And in your back with support your cushion, you can just hold the posture. And ma'am also, you one more time do the sequence, Nabika Darshanasana. In this sequence, you can just see first time on your navel, hold 10 times, and again 10 times, raise up your head down and hold 10 count, okay? In first, we are saying our navel, hold the posture, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now release your posture, release your posture. So sit in comfortable position, release your hand. And again 10 count we are doing. So you can just see one down for relaxation in Nabika Darshanasana. So hold the posture and just head down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Now release your posture and sit on comfortable position. support your cushion and just relax yourself for few counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Now you both guys stretch your full body. So leg stretch, hand stretch. अपने हैंड को अपने हेड के ऊपर से बाहर की तरफ ले जाएं. इंटरलॉक कर ले फिंगर को and just stretch your full body. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Now just relax yourself and start with practicing Setu Bandhasana. So bend your knee and also lock your ankle. Sir, you also do this sequence. So you can just start, bend your knee, lock your ankle and inhale, raise up your body. Hold the posture and when you hold your body, try to touch your chin on your chest. Hold the position. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Now exhale and come down. This is also good for high BP and asthma. So you do the regular practice on brisk pose Setu Bandhasana. Again one more time. Inhale, raise up your body, hold the position and also try to touch your knee on your chest, chin on your chest. And also if you feel comfortable ma'am, you can just stand with your tinny toe. You can just raise your tinny toe leg and hold the posture. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Now release your posture and also release your leg. Just do relax on Savasana for few counts. Sir also you भी आप भी relax करें. सभी लोग अगेन सवासना में for 5 count relax करें. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Relax yourself. Relax yourself. Now again, ma'am, one by one bend your leg. Do Pavan Muktasana. So one leg bent. Sir also you can सिर्फ आप बेंड करके रखिए अपने लेग को. ट्राई टू टच एंड मैम ऑल्सो यू लॉक यू विथ सपोर्ट योर फिंगर. ओके, जस्ट ट्राई होल्ड योर posture and ma'am also you try to touch your head on your knee. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now relax your posture. Sit on comfortable position and just release your posture. Again do another side. So bend your knee, lock your leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Now release your posture. And just feel relax on yourself. Now again, both leg bend. Lock your leg and just try. Hold the posture. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Now release your posture. posture. Feel a good stretch on your full body. Hold the posture on relaxation in Savasana. Relaxation on Savasana for few counts. And then now we are doing Ardha Halasana. So raise up your leg on 90 degree. Both should start practicing with raise up your leg on 90 degree. Hold the posture and also hold the position. Now this time you can just point out your leg. 5 count in sky, 5 count in your face side. So you can just one time hold the posture on sky, pointed your leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now again in front. अपनी तरफ अपने पैर की उंगलियों को करें, अपनी तरफ आपके फेस की तरफ. यस राइट. होल्ड द posture. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now just bend your knee and just relax yourself. Bend your knee. Now again hold the Naukasana with spine relaxed. So just bend your knee and hold the posture. 1, 2. अपने नी को बेंड करके सिर्फ वन अलाइनमेंट में आप होल्ड करें. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Now release your posture. Feel a good pressure on your hamstring, on your thigh. Yeah, this is the relaxing Naukasana. You also do on sitting posture, but we are starting on laying position. So one more time, do 10 times. Bend your knee, hold the posture. 1, 2, 3, 4. Start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now go down. On your bed in night, you also do this asana, half Naukasana, which support your pillow. You can hold the posture and stability in your body posture. Okay? ये आपकी वाइब्रेशन को कम करता है आपकी बॉडी के. So check your position here. Hold your leg position. Now come to Vishnu Asana. Come to Vishnu Asana. We are coming with on stomach हम आएंगे. So come to Vishnu Asana. Come to Vishnu Asana, and in Vishnu Asana also hold your leg on 30 degree. अपने लेग को 30 डिग्री पे होल्ड करें. ऑन 30 डिग्री होल्ड द पोजीशन. वाइब्रेशन फील हो रहा है बॉडी में. वाइब्रेशन लग रहा है बॉडी में या स्टेबल है आपकी बॉडी? स्टेबल है. वाइब्रेशन नहीं लग रहा है. आपको लग रहा है ना गिर रहा है आपका पैर? नहीं लग रहा है ऐसा? Okay. Now raise up your leg on 90 degree without bending your knee. अपने लेग को 90 डिग्री पे ले जाए. मैम आप ट्राई करिए 90 डिग्री तक. And sir, if you feel comfortable, you raise up your leg. Go smoothly, okay? Smoothly जाना है. And come down. Now change your leg position. Change your leg position and also check your stability here. So hold your leg on 30. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again raise up your leg on 90. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now come down. On this 90 डिग्री पे जाएंगे तो विदाउट बेंडिंग, जिससे पूरे लेग में एक अच्छा सा खिंचाव महसूस होता है जो आपकी लेग की नस नाड़ियों को रिलैक्स करता है. Raise your leg 90 degree, hold the position. Now just do relaxation on yourself. So come on stomach and start with practicing Makrasana. नी को बेंड करके मकरासना में आ जाए. अपने चिन के ऊपर अपने हाथों को रखें and hold the posture. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Now relax yourself. So go down on your mat. अपने हाथों का तकिया बना ले and 5 count. Also hold the posture. 1 2 3 4 5. Now release your posture and start your practicing with Ardha Halasana, Ardha Cobra. So Ardha Cobra, अपने हाथों को चेस्ट के पास लेकर आए and raise up your body, half raise up your body, not too much. So Ardha Cobra में आपको थोड़ी सी बेंड करनी है. अपनी बॉडी को अपने चेस्ट को ऊपर करना है. अपने चेस्ट को ऊपर करके होल्ड योर posture. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Now release your posture. So sit on your mat, hold the position and again raise up your body on full cobra. So with support your hand, you can just raise up your body with your pelvic area. आपकी navel भी raise up रहेगी. Don't touch your navel on your mat. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Now go down on your mat. Do some relaxation. So head down and release and feel very light on your full body. Just relax. Lose your full body. अपनी पूरी बॉडी को ढीला छोड़ दें. Hold the position. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Now release your posture and again do Ardha Halasana. So in Ardha Halasana on flying position, अपने हाथों को फ्लाइंग पोजीशन में रख दें. अपने लेग को भी फ्लाइंग पोजीशन में रखें. आपकी लेग रेस अप है, आपकी बॉडी भी हाफ रेस अप है. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20. Now relax yourself. Go down for few count. Just relax yourself. And one more flying position we do. Then sir, you can just relax on stomach yourself. And ma'am, we are doing one more sequence asana practice, which is Dhanurashana. Okay. And flying position, sir और ma'am दोनों अपने हाथों को पीछे कर लें. And it's flying position your hand, and if you feel comfortable you can also raise your leg. If you can't feel with both, you can just relax on yourself like this flying position. ये हमें करना है. बट सर अगर आप नहीं कर पा रहे तो अपने लेग को डाउन रख दीजिएगा, बस हाथों को करिएगा. ठीक है. And ma'am, if you feel comfortable you do both side. आपके लेग भी flying position में और hand भी flying position में. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Now release your posture and relax for few counts. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Now sir, you do relax for few counts and ma'am add one more asana practice with your side. So do Dhanurashana. So bend your leg and lock your ankle. And sir, you do completely relax on Makrasana on दोनों हाथों का तकिया बना के अपने हेड को डाउन करके आप जस्ट रिलैक्स योरसेल्फ। दोनों लेग को अपने मैट के कॉर्नर पे रख लीजिएगा। ऑन स्टोमक भी रिलैक्स कर सकते हैं, ऑन स्पाइन भी कर सकते हैं सर, ठीक है। एंड मैम यू डू धनुरासना। सो बेंड योर नी, bend your knees and lock your ankle first. Raise up your body on capacity. Just hold your body. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20. Now release your posture. Release your posture and relax for few counts, ma'am. Again, ma'am, lock your finger. Lock your finger. Lock your finger and raise up your body. Full Dhanurasana. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15. Now release your posture, ma'am, and completely relax on yourself. अपने मैट पे दोनों हाथों को फैला के रखते एंड जस्ट रिलैक्स योरसेल्फ. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Now relax yourself and come to on stomach. Ma'am, come to on stomach.